say please stop.
Marunong ka bang magmahal? Next, magaling ka bang magmahal?
10% and audience impact. 100%. Magpulag pa kayo. Creativity kami.
Paano ba tayo magiging magaling? Magiging magaling tayo in anything kung magpa-practice tayo.
I give you a new commandment that you love one another just as I have loved you.
Okay? We are made for love.
Ulit ko.
Ito na yung core ha. Pag na-gets nyo to, gets nyo na lahat ang sasabihin ko. True love is a gift of self. How can I serve you? How can I encourage you? How can I support you? Yun ang pabigay. In Tagalog, love versus use. Ay, sorry, English pala yun.
In Japanese.
Kaya mo pa? Ano ang analogy na ginagamit ni Jesus, ni God, to describe, para mag-grasp ng mga utak natin kung gano'n niya tayo kamahal?
Charot lang.
Ang analogy is marriage.
Ah.
Sa Catholic Church, there are 4 pillars of love. That is free, total, faithful, and fruitful. Listen very carefully.
Okay, we will listen very carefully. Paano ba yung carefully?
Commandment. You shall love your neighbor as yourself.
Yan. Liberated. Liberated. Freed from or opposed to traditional social and sexual attitudes or roles.
If it's given free, walang pressure, walang threat, hindi na pipilitan, it's free, given na isang law. And di ba, ano ang free? Di ba, walang bayad? And mas better na definition, freedom is the ability to do what you do not want to do in order to do what is good. Or pwedeng kabaligtaran, freedom is the ability to not do what you want to do in order to do what is good. Mabigay versus pakabig. Ano yung sinabi kong definition kanina? Walang pressure, walang hindi
Threat.
pinapilitan, walang threat, walang ganun. So, ang guilt, parang kang internal, ang tawag dito, yung parang internal struggle.
Organ.
Hindi ka talaga free.
Guilt distorts the will and silence.
When the heart is gripped by fear of lack, it struggles to become a hero.
Yes. Kasi natatakot na tayo, kailangan natin ng survival, kaya gagamit tayo ng ibang tao para mag-survive. Anyway, so yun. Kaya sobrang nakaka-relate ako dito. Actually, grabe, dahil masyado tayong nakikinig sa mga taong nagka-pressure sa atin, nakikinig pa ba tayo kay Lord?
Something else is competing for their will.
At siya po ang magko-connect sa atin.
Tara, usap tayo.
Pilgrimage. Charot.
Tara, dasal tayo.
Bakit? Why am I opening this up? Because as women, ano tayo, parang hindi tayo ganun ka-open. And we feel like, ako lang mag-isa dito eh. And it can be a lifetime of calling. Pero as long as you're standing back up, as long as you're running back to Jesus every time you fall, that will make you a saint. So sabi ko nga sa inyo, it's gonna be a lifetime of healing. It's gonna be a lifetime of purification. Pero alam ni Lord kung lumalaban ka ba talaga.
The capacity to choose the good with ease, joy, and consistency.
Emphasis on ease, joy, and consistency. Okay?
Consistency. Through grace, practice, and perseverance, the heart can be trained. And parang commercial. Bili na kayo! And as it is trained, love becomes less of struggle and more of a gift.
Eh kung hindi naman tayo marunong magmahal in that way, magluto, maglinis, whatever, we're not really free if we're not that skilled in that. Are you free or is he free to say yes and just as free to say no? Because Saint Zali, these are the parents of Saint Therese of Lisieux.
Child Jesus.
Yes. Are there reasons? Hindi to exhaustive list. Parang in every situation, i-assess nyo yung disposition ng heart nyo. Kasi no one can really tell. You can disguise it as love. I-assess nyo yung disposition ng heart nyo. Am I using someone or am I really loving someone? So, how can you practice
Loving freely.
loving freely?
How?